Some products don't seem essential until you use them during a long commute, a crowded event, or a hot afternoon outdoors. And once you have reliable personal cooling within reach, it quickly becomes something you don't want to leave home without. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today we're taking a closer look at the Gaiatop Portable Mini Fan, a compact handheld and desktop cooling fan designed for travel, commuting, outdoor activities, office use, and everyday convenience. If you're someone who spends time outdoors, travels frequently, works in warmer environments, or simply wants a lightweight personal cooling solution that's easy to carry anywhere, this product is immediately relevant. And if you'd like to check pricing or availability, the purchase link is available in the description below. One of the strongest aspects of the Gaiatop Mini Fan is how easy it is to carry without it becoming inconvenient. At only around 118 grams and small enough to fit into a pocket, handbag, or backpack, it feels designed for real-world mobility rather than occasional use. Whether you're commuting, traveling, standing in lines, attending outdoor events, or moving between locations during the day, the lightweight design makes it simple to keep close without adding noticeable bulk. Small portable fans often struggle to provide meaningful airflow, but this model performs better than many people expect from such a compact device. The built-in brushless motor delivers a steady and powerful breeze across all 3 speed settings while maintaining stable operation. That extra airflow makes a noticeable difference during hot weather, especially in situations where traditional cooling options simply aren't available nearby. What makes this product particularly practical is its dual-purpose design. Outdoors, it works naturally as a handheld cooling fan, while indoors it easily converts into a compact tabletop fan using the anti-slip base. That flexibility increases its value significantly because it transitions well between office desks, bedside tables, travel setups, and outdoor use without requiring additional accessories or stands. The LED display is one of those small additions that becomes surprisingly useful over time. Instead of guessing remaining battery life, users can clearly monitor both speed settings and battery capacity directly from the display. The built-in flashlight also adds extra practicality during travel, nighttime walks, emergencies, or low-light situations. These details may seem minor individually, but together they create a more polished ownership experience. The 1,800 mAh rechargeable battery provides between 2 and 7 hours of runtime, depending on fan speed, which is very reasonable for a device this compact. The 2-way fast charging support also helps reduce downtime by fully recharging the fan in roughly 2.5 hours. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, the overall experience feels dependable and thoughtfully designed for everyday carry use. In the end, the Gaiatop Portable Mini Fan is not intended to replace a full-size room fan or air conditioning system, and users expecting extremely high-powered airflow may need larger cooling solutions. However, for personal cooling during travel, commuting, outdoor activities, office work, or everyday summer use, it performs exceptionally well within its category. What helps this fan stand out is the balance between portability, convenience, airflow performance, and practical features without becoming overly complicated. It feels lightweight, functional, and easy to integrate into daily life. If you've been looking for a reliable personal cooling solution that's easy to carry and genuinely useful throughout the day, this is absolutely one worth considering. Take a closer look through the link in the description, and as always, choose the products that make daily comfort feel a little easier. Thanks for watching Buy with Confidence.